Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show how to use iPXE on bare metal cloud through the BMC Portal. iPXE allows servers to boot from network-based resources. This lets bare metal cloud users load an operating system or software package from an external repository, giving them more flexibility than the standard OS images. The iPXE license is free and the feature is available at no additional cost. So let's begin. Logging into bare metal cloud portal will take us to this landing page. Select Deploy New Server. Choose the data center location, the billing model, where selecting a long-term commitment will have us confirm terms and conditions. Choose server quantity and the bare metal cloud instance type. Make sure that the selected instance type supports iPXE booting. For this demo, we will use an AMD Grado system. Select it, scroll past all the other available options in this location, which gets us to the operating system panel. Here, we select iPXE and click Next to confirm. This takes us to the Configure Instance page, where the hostname is generated by default, but we can also enter our own name. We can also enter an optional description if needed. In the iPXE section, enter the full URL of a publicly accessible iPXE script. The script will define which operating system, installer, or software package should load during the boot process. Confirm by clicking Next. Now, let's configure the network settings. We can use an existing IP allocation, we can buy a new one, or choose not to assign one. Keep in mind that if you do not assign a public IPv4 allocation, the server must be added to a public network to enable iPXE booting. For this demo, we will use an existing allocation, select it, set it as the server's native VLAN for boot, and enter the DHCP address. We select Deploy New Server and wait for the instance to boot. After deployment, the instance appears on the server's page. Here's our server, and as you can see, it's in the creating state. iPXE instances are marked with an iPXE tag next to the hostname and an iPXE boot tag in the type and operating system column. To show how we manage the server instance, we will use a previously deployed one of the Intel Xeon 6 P-core systems. To do this, we will use the Actions menu from this listing. If we want to see the basic server information, like the server ID, operating system, instance type, and boot script URL, simply select View Details. This also helps verify which iPXE script is associated with the server. To start iPXE configuration, select Configure iPXE from the same Actions menu, also available in the Server Details page. Here, we can update the iPXE script URL or adjust the iPXE network settings, including the native VLAN configuration. Selecting to remove the native VLAN configuration will show the warning that the server might no longer boot properly. We make the change we want and click Update to apply it. We see a confirmation pop-up, and finally we are ready to reboot an instance using the new configuration. Open the Actions menu again and select Reboot. In the modal, we choose Reboot using iPXE script. Keep in mind that here also we can update the script URL or keep the current one. Click the Action button and the server will reboot and connect to the network using the provisioned DHCP IP address. So, that's how to deploy, manage, configure, and reboot an iPXE instance through the bare metal cloud portal. Instead of being limited to predefined images, users can boot from external repositories and deploy custom operating systems, installers, or specialized environments directly on bare metal infrastructure. Thank you for your attention.